Moving on, the Central Bank of Kenya Governor Dr. Patrick Njoroge has called on international investors to take a long-term approach in investments in Africa. This comes amid the current political temperatures in the country, which have had an adverse impact on investments. The governor said this in London while attending an event to discuss private equity funds in Africa. He told the gathering that the time is ripe, that is, in Kenya to make long-term investments in Africa, and particularly Kenya. A statement aimed at wooing private equity fund investors who control billions of shillings. At the meeting, it emerged that Kenya has been punching well above its weight in securing private equity funds.